Welcome back, if you are coming back, or if you've just clicked on this because it's popped up on your feed and you're thinking, what is she going on about? And why has she got a bald head? Well, I haven't. It's a wig cap. And I'm here to tell you about my third and final wig that I purchased off Temu. And I've got to be honest, guys, seriously, I am so shocked with the quality that these wigs have turned in. I mean, seriously, as I said before, I really didn't know what to expect. And yeah, I've got to say, I'm gobsmacked, absolutely gobsmacked. So I'm going to show you this final wig. I have actually been, if you've been following my posts, if you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen I have actually been wearing this wig quite a lot. I'm really happy with it. Just the quality of it, the way it lasts. I'm looking forward to actually washing it, considering the last one I've just washed has come out so well and so true to form. They're unbelievably light on your head. You really forget that you are actually wearing a wig. They're really secure. If you feel you can make them more secure, but that's obviously down to your own preference. As I've said before, I like to remove mine in the evening. I don't like to sleep with my wig. I get really hot at night anyway, so I really couldn't deal with that. It would just be unbearable. So anyway, here it is, the last wig. This time I've gone for the highlighted front and for no fringe. And with this one, take it off there, we've got the same sort of attachments as we had with the black one. We've got two combs that are just a little bit further up the head. They're about here. And again, we've got the comb at the back for security, which fits really nicely. And again, most importantly, because we don't want any slippages, adjustable straps. So I'm going to give you a quick show as soon as I put my straps on. Sorry. A quick show of this wig. But again, the price that I paid for this, I just cannot believe that this is the quality. I'm looking at wigs that I've purchased just in sort of the last year, and I paid what I paid for them. I could buy these three again. So yeah, I'm really that impressed with these wigs. I just cannot understand, and the quality is just amazing. So that's it. Bear with me, I'm just gonna tighten my wig. So there we go. And again, I've gone for the curls, and I like that free flowing, not so flat, and give it a bit of volume. So I've got no volume, so I need all the help I can get. So I've got my combs. I'm just gonna put that forward, and then, as I said, there's a comb at the back. So I always secure the comb at the back first before anything else. And then what you want to do is obviously where you like your hairline. And then, there we are. Fine. Yeah. Easy peasy. So, and then final bit is you just run your thumb where you can locate your combs. And, oh, there we go. Attach your combs obviously where it's secure for you, because obviously you don't want anything, and you don't want to be in pain. But honestly, that's really nice. That comes down there. I'm quite happy with that. Do the same with the other side. So you can, obviously, I would count this as a wear and go wig. As I said, you can get wigs that you permanently wear, sleep with and things. If you are going to go for something like that, then I definitely would not buy one from Temu. I would probably go to someone like Icy Hair or Recoil just because the robustness of them. So that is pretty much it on the installation wise, and I'll tell you honestly, these really have made me feel absolutely wonderful. I am loving I love the natural fall. I love the way they go in the wind, the non-knottiness. I do take care of them. I use, again, I think I've said this before, I do use a Cantu detangling spray along with, here we go, a curl activator, but not too much. You only want a small amount because you don't want to make the hair greasy. Don't forget, it is still artificial hair, but what you can do is it helps you separate the curls and keeps it this nice bouncy full volume. So that's it. Oh god, destroying myself. Right, that's it, guys. That is it for the hair for now. I have actually got another one on order, but we'll leave that till later. I'm going to leave you because I need to go and get ready, and I need to fix my hair, you know, because it does take a long time. I think my face takes longer than my hair. It's amazing. As long as the hair always looks good, as I say, it's always the way. I really hope you've enjoyed my videos. If you do, please like them. Please let me know if you're following me on Instagram. Please comment and let me know how I'm doing, and yeah, thanks. But the biggest thing, thank you for even clicking on this video. It is, again, really appreciated, and thank you for your time.